Well guys, it's June 22nd. We're here in Georgia right now. This is the hotel room. I'm not sure how good this trip is gonna be. We're heading to Florida to meet my uncle, who we haven't seen in a while. My parents are going to a wedding actually. And right now, we're just chilling out in the hotel room. It's about 100 degrees outside. Unfortunately, the car didn't start right as we got here, so there might be some future issues there. So stay tuned. This isn't necessarily going to be just a fishing trip. We're going to be doing some travel sort of videos, so a little bit different than I normally post on the channel. So stay tuned for the rest of the video. Let's get at it. Alright guys, we're in a different room now. It's pretty much the same as the other one. We actually ended up having bed bugs in the one room, believe it or not, underneath the one mattress. So they upgraded us to a better room. The mattresses here are brand new, and we double checked to make sure there were no bugs in it. So yeah, this trip has had a pretty rocky start so far. Stay tuned. We'll see what else happens on this Florida vacation.
All right.
There's Mom and Dad. We're leaving the hotel. How much did you love this hotel, Mom?
Awesome.
2 thumbs down.
Yep. Bed bugs. No pool. No exercise room.
No ice.
Yeah.
Shitty breakfast.
Yep. Only got refilled once. Casey had one sausage. Wonderful. Casey and Dad are at the beach.
Hey. Hello.
There's Ellie dousing herself in sunscreen. There's the sun ready to burn Ellie.
Alright, Flagler Beach in Florida, January 23, 2022, on the Atlantic side of Florida. Just not gonna be here very long. Just put my feet in, saying we touched the water.
The next day of the trip, we checked out a local park and got to see some amazing wildlife that you can only see in Florida. First look at the Floridian storm. That afternoon I caught a small warmouth, and then that evening the storm had hit and my parents had went to their wedding. Then the next morning I decided to fish the same place with a better understanding of the water. Alright guys, just started fishing the same spot next morning. Got another warmouth here. This one's considerably bigger. Still on a grub, but beautiful fish right there. We're gonna put him back, but all these warmouths seem to be right underneath this dock piling, so we're gonna hopefully get some more. Stay tuned. Alright, we're gonna let him go. Thanks, dude. Let's get some more. Alright guys, just got a big old bowfin. Look at that, that's my first bowfin. I don't know how I'm gonna land him. Look at that guy, he's huge. On that lipless crankbait. Alright, got a bowfin on that lipless crankbait. He is likely to break off when I pull him up.
Oh, nice.
This is what a Florida bowfin looks like on that lipless crankbait. He was just swimming right down in there. The GoPro's not working for some reason, otherwise I would have filmed it, but look at the teeth on that guy. He's pretty wicked. I want to say these are native to Florida, but so we're gonna get this guy out and put him back. Stay tuned. We're just gonna try to. There we go. We're gonna go over there. We're gonna release him right there.
Nope, he's gone. He's good. He's good.
Yeah, I saw that bowfin just swimming right around in here, and he was chasing all the bait fish. So I just dropped this right in front of his face, and he just took it. Pretty simple. Stay tuned for more. Maybe there's some more bowfin around.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Behind the scenes of DSPA fisherman. He's getting real close to a bird here. Wow. Look at him go. Look at that arch.